Welcome to English in a Minute. You already know that firefighters are trained to safely put out fires.
Put out fires.
Do Anna and Jonathan have new careers?
Anna, I haven't seen you all week. What have you been doing?
I have been busy putting out fires. First, Kim yelled at a very important customer, and then Kevin gave the wrong presentation at a big meeting.
So now is not a good time to tell you that there's a big mistake in this report?
As an idiom, to put out fires means to deal with urgent problems rather than your usual tasks. Think of the problem as a fire, something that needs to be dealt with quickly before it spreads or causes much damage. And that's English in a Minute.